Hi, second grade. All right, we are going to do worksheet number 73. This is suffixes. Do you remember suffixes? These are always at the end of words. This is en or n, ish or ish, and ist or ist. Okay, these are going to go always at the end of words, okay, because they kind of make it a different type of word. So this en is like a quality of something. So yeah, they kind of all are. So that's like a quality. Okay, that's the same type of thing, ish. And then ist is normally a person. Okay, so that's what those mean when you add those to the end of words. All right, so here's the suffixes, and then here are some words we're going to work with today. Say after me. Say harpist, piggish, sicken, artist, sheepishly, and golden. Okay, so these all have suffixes. So all of these have an ending on them. You notice with suffixes, we always box them in, and it's because, one, they're always going to be that end syllable. It's going to be a syllable. And then also it just changes the word. So look at this first one, harpist. Now look at ist is there. Let's just go ahead and box it in. Okay, now take away the suffix. Is harp a word? Yes, harp is an instrument. It's a really beautiful instrument. If you are a harpist, what is that? You're a person. You're a person that does what? Plays the harp, right? A harpist is a person that plays the harp. All right, let's keep on coding this. We have an AR, and that is it. Harpist, harpist. Okay. Number 2 is pig-ish. Now we know that there is a quality suffix, ish, right there. So go ahead and box it in. Now you know it's a suffix is if you close it up and you look at that first part and see if that is a word. Is pig a word? Now, yes, but you're probably wondering why it's spelled P-I-G-G, because that's not how you spell pig, is it? How do you spell pig? P-I-G, right? So if you have a short vowel like I, and then you add on this suffix, that's why you have this like double consonant there. It's just how English works. It's weird. Short, and then a consonant. We're going to add that consonant there and then the rest of it. Pig-ish. That's a short I, of course. Pig-ish. Okay. All right, let's look at number 3. So let's look at number 2 real quick. What does piggish mean? The quality of a pig. So let's say my baby, let's say he was kind of plump or something, and he kind of looked like maybe a little piggy. Piggies are kind of plump and cute. I could say, my baby looks piggish. You know, the quality of a pig, they're just kind of like plump, so piggish. It's not the nicest way to describe someone, but a baby is not, it's not that mean to talk about a baby like that because they're cute and they're chubby and that's okay. All right, the next one, sicken. Okay, so we see the ending is en. Okay, en, and again, that means the quality. So what does this look? Sick. Ooh, a sick quality. Ooh, so that means like you would feel sick maybe because of something. Like the thought of maybe spiders, maybe sickens you. Like it sickens you. It's icky. Okay, so let's keep going. This is a short I, C-K. Let me cross out that C, right? Sicken. All right, number 4 is artist. Let's do that box in first, right? Let's see, cover that up. Is that a word, art? Yep, so we're good. Okay, and then we have artist. Okay, this one, ist, is a person, so a person who does art, right? So artist. Number 5 is really funny. Sheepishly. So I see ly, that's another suffix we've learned before. It means like another type of quality. Ish is another suffix. It has 2 suffixes. Can you say this whole word? Sheepishly. How many syllables does it have? 3 syllables. And they're all a base word, a suffix, and a suffix. Isn't that funny? Okay, so sheepish is like the quality of being like a sheep, so like being shy. Sheepishly, it's like I'm acting that way. So sheepish, I'm sheepishly, I would describe like an action. I'm sheepishly walking down the hallway because I heard a very, loud noise, and I'm being a little shy about it because I'm like, what's that noise? So I'm walking sheepishly down the hall. Okay, let's look at number 5. Sheep. So we have SH. EE is the digraph, long E, and then cross out the other E. Okay. Number 6 is golden, golden. We have EN, right? Take it away. Gold is a word, so we're good. It's the quality of something being golden. So like my ring is literally, that color gold. So I could say it's like a golden color, or, this ring over here is not really gold, but it kind of has that golden color, right? So golden is like the quality of gold. Okay, so this one is long. And that's about it, actually, because we have good old, all those sounds are there. Okay? All right, very good. Let's go ahead and I will read the bottom, and I would like for you to answer the questions. A cartoonist is a comic artist who can think up and then sketch cartoons. Many magazines publish cartoons. Cartoons are used to advertise or entertain. Our cartoons that entertain are known as comic strips or gag cartoons. The comics people seem to enjoy the most are in the form of comic books. Okay, number 7 says, what does a cartoonist spend his or her time doing? What do they do? So look at the word cartoonist. Remember, that's a person. Look at, does it say a cartoonist is a comic artist who can think up and then sketch cartoons. So what does a cartoonist do? They think up. Here's this fancy word there. Remember that word and sketches, right? So I'm going to write think and sketch. Cartoons. Okay, and yes, you need this word and in there. Okay, they don't just think, they don't just start sketching, they got to do both of these things according to the reading, right? All right, number 8 says, which comics do you like to read the most? This is just an opinion. Which comics do you like to read the most? I don't know, I think comic strips are kind of funny. So I'm going to go with this one. So you could say comic strips, or you can talk about comic books. I want to say comic strips, like in the newspaper. I don't know if you guys even get that anymore, but when I was growing up your age, we would get the newspaper and there would be comic strips in there. Our number 9 says comic strips are cartoons that entertain. True or false? True, of course. Okay. All right. So that is your worksheet for today. Don't forget what suffixes are there at the end of a word. We've got en, n, ish, ish, and ist, ist, which is a person. All right, go ahead and turn that over. The back side is your homework.